Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're not a subscriber, then please be our guest so you won't miss any of our delicious recipes. Today she's making chicken gyro for you guys to enjoy. It's a delicious recipe. I'm sure you guys would love it and the whole family will too. So this is a minced chicken gyro. So basically you process or you mince chicken thighs and some lamb fat. It needs some of the lamb fat because chicken is a bit too lean and it needs the fat to give it that moisture and the goodness. But if you like it lean, you can leave the fat out, and also you can get it pre-minced from your butcher, but we like to mince our own. This is the list of herbs and spices that she uses. So some onions, garlic cloves, salt, nutmeg, cumin, coriander powder, white pepper, paprika, oregano, fresh thyme, cinnamon powder, ginger powder, and cardamom powder. The list of ingredients is in the description box below, so you can access it for a more accurate ingredient description. Start off by processing the ingredients, the herbs and spices first. After you process the ingredients, you add them to the minced meat, chicken. Then you hand mix the ingredients together. Make sure everything is mixed in well. Once you've mixed it in well, basically looks like a paste consistency. You place it in a baking tray that's been lined with baking paper, and make sure it's evenly spread and the thickness is even right around. So it cooks evenly in the oven. At this point you cover it and you place it in the fridge to let it marinate for as long as you're able to. You can do it in advance, a night before, then cook it the next day. But at least half an hour to an hour minimum. The longer the better. And into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After half an hour in the oven, it's nice and golden brown. You remove it and you let it rest. Make sure you save the juices from the meat, because you need it later on for the second cooking to see the meat in it. So now you just wrap it with aluminium foil and you let it rest for 10-15 minutes. So after 10-15 minutes of resting the meat, then you start slicing it, because we need to sear it in the pan to finalize the cooking. You melt a bit of ghee in a pan, and then you place the sliced meat there.
If it's a bit under, doesn't matter because we're gonna.
That's right. If it's a bit undercooked, doesn't matter, because that's the whole point of searing it now. So you just want to see the surface, just for a few seconds on each side. And there it is, guys. After you sear it, you place it on a table with all the condiments. We have the garlic sauce. You can't have shawarma without chicken shawarma, that is, without garlic sauce. Some pickles, the usual suspect vegetables, and some chips. And obviously some flatbread. guys. Absolutely delicious. If you like what you see,